Are you interested in adding Taskbots to increase productivity? Meet ZeroWork Creator, a solution that requires no coding and enables users to create Taskbots and sell them in the ZeroWork marketplace. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. You can use workflows that are based on logic and simulate human actions to automate repetitive tasks. Their Taskbots can automate various tasks, including searching, typing, clicking buttons, gathering data, and carrying out fundamental site actions. This means you can collect information from social profiles, send direct messages across platforms, and automatically manage the amount of money spent on Facebook advertisements. In addition, you can generate recurring revenue by selling Taskbots that you have built with the Creator app and placing them in the ZeroWork marketplace. Users can also increase their income by selling their Taskbots in the ZeroWork marketplace, creating a situation where everyone benefits. The ZeroWork Creator App is the ideal instrument for you to use, regardless of whether you run a small business, are self-employed, or are just someone who wants to be more productive overall. The ZeroWork Creator App has various powerful features, rendering it an essential instrument for anyone interested in automating their responsibilities. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Incorporate Taskbots for more productivity using ZeroWork Creator. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.